Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött on tour. We're in London today, and we're having lunch at what I think could become a favorite place of mine, called Bao. Now, I already cooked a recipe from Bao because they have a really nice cookbook, and it was the kind of the hot dog Bao bun filled with shrimp. So we're gonna go in here and see if the original is better or not. It probably is. Let's go in.
Potato fries, confit, garlic mayo.
So we're inside. Here we have the menu. I don't know if you could see it, but otherwise you just have to go here yourself. But we're for sure going for some different dishes, and I'll show you afterwards what we selected. Yeah, we're ready. So I made a mistake there. It was supposed to be the fries. And if we could have 2 bao oolong beer and 1 baba tea.
Bubble tea?
Yeah.
Do you have any allergy?
No, nothing. Thank you. Exciting. So this is the first serving. We have the chicken and a side of cucumber. And not to forget the amber lager.
Bubble tea I like too, but you can also get in it bubble tea shops.
That's a really nice fried chicken. It's thigh with a nice spicy sauce with it. But we didn't come here for the chicken, so on with the bao buns. And obviously we have some fries as well, because my daughter is with me and she's a fry fan. We'll give the fries a taste.
Soße ist geil.
That's a really cool sauce. The mayo. It's a comfy garlic mayo. Really special, but very nice. For those of you who remember, this is the version I made from their cookbook. The major difference so far is the size. This is much smaller. Now let's give this a try.
Wie ist Handy? Der Nils? Hey, Madame. Nein.
Also very good.
Believe me.
It is the original. I think mine might have had a bit more taste in the filling, but this is crunchier on the outside. Can't say which one is better. Different. I'm gonna continue biting into this now. Then I'll finish the whole thing. And I think the version on Görgött is a little bit better. There's a bit more oomph in the taste. But I'll leave it up to you. Try my version and come here and try theirs. They're for sure amazing. Here we have some dumplings, some fried ones with the sauce. And we have a bit of shrimp dumplings with some noodles in a seaweed broth. Let's dig into these shrimp dumplings. Very good noodle. Really nice dumplings. The broth is mild, but still has taste to it, so I can recommend this one as well. And now let's go for one of the fried ones. Some kind of chili oil. Very good. This dish really intrigued me.
Es ist perfekt für den Papa. Gut, man macht es nicht.
I think this is my highlight. Meat is amazing. There's a bit of a char taste to it, the rice. I think they flamed it before serving. And the creaminess of the egg yolk. And last but not least, we're doing some classical baos. That's the classical one here. Some, I guess, shredded pork in some form. And here we have a fried chicken. Start with the classical.
I like the peanut part. I don't like the peanut part.
It's very good. Almost has a Christmassy feel to it. I don't know if there's some cinnamon in it.
Three classic and one chicken.
Yeah. Could I have another beer, please?
Sorry?
It's very good. Bit of sweetness there, saltiness. And the bun is amazing. And the last one for today. It's not easy to do this one-handed. Fantastic. The same crispy chicken as before. Some nice cucumber. Perfect. Spicy sauce. Now I'll eat this in peace, and then I'll catch you outside again for a kind of overall verdict. That was a cool experience. I really enjoyed pretty much everything. There was some things that I probably wouldn't order again. I wasn't a big fan of the classic bun. It was all just, how should I say, mushy. Obviously the bun was soft, the filling was soft. Taste-wise it was nice though, but I was missing something, I thought. I loved the fried chicken bun. I loved the shrimp hot dog bun. But my favorite was probably the meat dish. The meat on top of the flamed rice was amazing. But if you stuck with me this far, as always, please do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. It's just done there, and it really helps me to get my content out there. And I'll try to do some more of these kind of Görgött on tour videos, because first of all, I really enjoy them. But most importantly, do you enjoy them? And if so, like it and give me a comment below. But that's it for this time. Take care. Bye-bye.